welcome to another episode of Indulge Vlogs. Today I am standing at Imami Art and this exhibition is called Nothing Twice. It's a very interesting exhibition which is curated by Ushmita Sahu and it displays the artworks of 9 young women artists. And the crux of this particular exhibition is all about how nothing in this life happens twice, by conscious or by accident. But this is the exhibition where time stops. That's how I can describe it best. Because in everyday passing, there are so many stances that happen and we just let it pass. We don't take the time out to stop and think about it. But this particular exhibition makes sure that every frame, every construct makes you stop in front of it, think, remember and connect. Every little instance in the present has a minute detail which we often overlook, and this exhibition blows up that minute detail so that it makes a fragment of memory, a fragment of experience in the onlooker's eyes. Come, let's see what Nothing Twice has in store for us. And yes, this is happening at Imami Art at Kolkata Center for Creativity, and I will not tell you this twice that you need to come and see this exhibition for yourself. आपका जो प्रैक्टिस है, आर्टिस्टिक प्रैक्टिस है, उसके बारे में अगर आप कुछ मुझे बताओ, क्योंकि मैं बहुत फ्लोरल इंस्पायर्ड मैंने देखा है।
हाँ, मेरा काम जैसे नेचर से इंस्पायर है, क्योंकि असम में भी जैसे हिली एरिया सराउंडिंग में था, तो वो बचपन से एक कल्चरल जो ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ें हैं, जो मतलब जैसे हिली एरिया में लकड़ी कलेक्ट करना या फ्लावर कलेक्ट करना, जंगल एरिया है जहाँ पे, वहाँ पे जो फ्लोरा होते हैं काफ़ी खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, तो उसका जो संरचना होता है वो भी काफ़ी अलग डिफरेंट होते हैं बाकी जो नॉर्मल जो फ्लावर, जो कॉमन फ्लावर जो मिलते हैं गार्डनिंग।
We have Momita, I should actually say very talented Momita, who has done this beautiful artwork. Momita, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ, इसका नाम क्या है और ये जो मीडियम आपने यूज किया है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, क्योंकि पूरे एग्जीबिशन में फोटोग्राफी है, पेंटिंग है, ब्रश स्ट्रोक्स है बहुत, लेकिन ये पूरा टेक्सटाइल के ऊपर किया हुआ है, तो इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए।
मेरा बैचलर्स ऑफ मास्टर्स पेंटिंग में था, लेकिन कोविड टाइम से मेरा मीडियम थोड़ा सा मतलब चेंज हो गया कि टेक्सटाइल में मुझे करना है ऐसा नहीं था, लेकिन मैं और मीडियम को लेकर मैं कॉलेज से ही बहुत मतलब इधर उधर डिपार्टमेंट में घूमती थी कि कहाँ पे कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट में काम होता है। तो और कोविड के टाइम जो ट्रेंड मेरा मीडियम था ऐसे पेंटिंग की ऑयल या एक्रिलिक, तो उस टाइम में मैं गाँव में कोई अवेलेबल नहीं थी। तो कॉलेज के टाइम में मैं गुआश जैसे इंडियन स्टाइल में होता है तो उसी से लेके मतलब थोड़ा सा, और टेक्सटाइल तो ऑल मतलब सभी घर पे सभी टेक्सटाइल में कुछ ना कुछ फीमेल्स बनाते रहते हैं जी। तो तब मेरी मतलब मम्मी को और मेरी बहन ऐसे टेलर है तो वो कुछ बनाता था, तो वहाँ पे जैसे कुछ बनाने के बाद, ड्रेस वगैरह बनाने के बाद वो फेंक देता था, तो उसी को कलेक्ट करके मैंने ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट ऐसा शुरू किया था।
This exhibition is called Nothing Twice. It is based on a poem by a Nobel laureate poet, a Polish Nobel laureate poet, which talks about these moments in life which never repeat. So she talks about the fact that we are born into this world already in a certain way, and then we pass. And I think that made me think, and I wanted to do an exhibition talking about these small but also larger aspects of life that women carry within themselves. I always feel that we as women have so much stories to tell which sometimes remain hidden, things that are very intimate to us, or we are also part of a larger discourse. Hence, I wanted to bring together women artists, younger practices, who really are thinking differently about where they belong, what everyday life, from the mundane to the big, what does it mean to them, and how do they approach these different mediums, different views, and different kind of voices.
If you actually see two people who look exactly the same in front of you in this particular piece, then you might be reminded of Anjan Datto's Datta vs. Datta, or even Farhan Akhtar's Kartik Calling Kartik. We have Krisha with us, who is the artist, and this is actually known as Banerjee with himself. So tell us a little bit about the concept of one talking to the same person.
So basically, he's one of my very close friend, and he used to dress up himself like with a very in a different manner. Sometimes he used to wear a sari, sometimes he will wear kurta, sometimes he wear different jewelries and all. And he's the favorite person of like himself.
Like Kareena Kapoor, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Yeah, I'm my favorite kind of.
Right.
Yeah. So and this particular area that I have painted is my canteen area from my college canteen area.
Right.
So and he's sitting with himself. So I'm showing that the how he's proud about him.
Today, when I see this wonderful exhibition, definitely I would like to comment on something that it is done by all women. That is a wonderful thing, and I'm seeing artists are pretty young. I saw somebody was born 2002. Well, that's very interesting. Young artists are coming forward and getting the chance, and it looks beautiful. I even have a personal favorite. I'm standing in front of it.